trying out the WorkProX cordless hedge trimmer. This one is 20 volts and it comes with a removable rechargeable battery. The great thing about this battery, it's lightweight. It gives you the percentage of battery that's left. And what's nice about this battery as well is it doesn't require another random battery charger that you have to have in your garage. It can be charged up through a USB-C cable, so it's really easy to charge. I just charged this on my kitchen counter. And I should add, the 20-volt battery doubles as a portable power bank, so it is a great multi-use battery. It came with about 60% charge when I first received it. I charged it once, and so far I've cut several hedges with this. It's very lightweight. It does come with a protective cover for the blades, which is great for when you're storing it. And then it also has a safety feature of, this is the on and off switch, but it also has a safety switch. So both this and the power switch need to be on and held on continuously for it to work. So first I turn on the safety switch and then I click on the on button, and there it goes. It's not too loud. So far, it's relatively heavy duty. I had no problem trimming up this hedge of rosemary. I did a juniper hedge. It cut through those hedges like butter. It's really great for me. I have hedges that are like way far away from my house, nowhere near a power source, so it's really important to have a cordless trimmer. Being electric, it's not too loud. It doesn't require any gas or diesel, so it's really great. Again, lightweight in that sense. Overall, just a great tool to have in your garden tool shed. So right out of the box, included is, of course, the lithium rechargeable battery, the hedge trimmer, which does not require any assembly. It comes fully assembled. And of course, the instruction manual and the USB-C charging cable. As mentioned, the 20-volt lithium battery is rechargeable via a USB-C cable. And the hedge trimmer comes with a protective blade cover. The 20-volt battery doubles as a portable power bank, so you can keep your devices charged while you're out of the house or outdoors. It also is very easy to insert, and it includes a percent indicator window so you can see how much battery you have left. To operate it, you simply press both the safety button on the handle and the main switch at the same time. I found the WorkProX Hedge Trimmer to do a great job on an unruly juniper bush, a rosemary bush, as well as other trees and hedges I have around my garden. I also use the hedge trimmer on this pea bush. You can see I used it on half and I didn't use it here, just as an experiment. And you can see using the hedge trimmer has made the foliage grow in much more densely compared to this side where I only used clippers. You can see where it's been clipped versus the hedge trimmer. And I recommend that when you store it, for safety reasons, we always store our power tools separate to the battery, just because we have kids and it's a little bit safer that way. I also store it with the blade cover on as well, which is very simple too. install right back on like that. Because it does have moving blades, you may have to oil this from time to time. So far, I haven't needed to do it yet, but it's always a good idea to keep your blades sharp and not rusty. It is electric, so you're going to want to keep it away from water. You're not going to want to store this outside. You want to have this in a pretty watertight tool shed or garage. But overall, it's a great little addition to the garden power tools. Like I said, there was no assembly. It came right out of the box as it was. The battery even had charge in it. So you can pretty much purchase this and be cutting hedges the same day. If you have any questions or comments, do put them down below. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and don't forget to subscribe.